Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I will show you how to lock profile with a pin. So first select the profile that you want to lock and go to edit profiles right here. Just select the profile that you want to lock by clicking on this pencil icon next to it. Then scroll down and down here you should see profile pin, click on off and now enter password to your account in order to change your pin and press continue. Now you can select the pin that you want to give to this account. So just select it and click on limit access to this profile with this 4-digit pin. Make sure that is selected and now you can limit the access. Press save if you are done and voila, like that the profile is actually locked. Thank you very much for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.